Hi guys! Did you like that little intro? Just thought of it myself. So, here I am again in my Nissan GTR. I've had the car for like 3 months now. Yeah. When was the last time I uploaded a video on this? I don't even remember. But, I love my car. I love this car. Here to explain to you guys what I've done to it so far. I think the last video I told you I was going to get the windows tinted, which they are tinted now. And I got the protective film on the front. Gotta have that when you live in North Carolina. I also got HKS Legamax exhaust and 3.5-inch downpipes and a cob tune, which I thought the car was loud when I first got it, and now that I watched a before and after video of the exhaust, me turning it on and revving it up, the car is so much louder, and I'm gonna add that into this video next so you guys can watch the before and after. My heart is racing. I'm talking 1,000 miles per hour right now. I'm trying to make this pretty short, but yeah, I'm gonna take the car for a little drive, and then I'm gonna launch it for you guys so you can really hear the exhaust and feel it, you know? Feel it. What's next? Trying to make this short. I do have wheels sitting in my garage right now. Maybe I'll do a little sneak peek of those at the end of this video. But yeah, here's the clips of before when I first got the car and after the exhaust. Yee.
It's been, I mean, it's been driven recently, so
Okay, so you saw the before and after. Like, it sounds so much better with the new exhaust. I'm gonna have Connor launch it for you guys because I also want to hear what it sounds like outside, and I never get to see the car moving outside of the car, so let's go. I'm sure he's so excited right now. Okay, 1. I wish y'all could smell that. Okay, so we're back home. What did you guys think? It's nice. I told you guys I would do a sneakity peek of my new wheels. Sneakity peek. I cannot wait to see these on the car. So is that the end of this video? I think so. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment down below. The next video will be showing these bad boys on the car, and then we also have a car show we're going to, so I'm probably gonna do a little coverage on that. Yeah, bye guys.